3 plus 1.
Yeah, 3 plus 1 is
4. Guys. Lethu TV!
Hello guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yay! Before we start,
Please subscribe.
today we'll be doing a decomposition ruler.
Ruler?
Yeah, ruler.
Yes, ruler,
Yeah. And thanks to
To school.
for this wonderful idea.
Guys, let's start.
So-
So,
True.
this is a clue
Okay.
and this is a mark.
What else do we need? What about this?
What about this?
What about this?
Yes, what about this? Paper?
Yes. And we also need a pair of scissors. Remember, these are very dangerous. Parental guidance is advised. We're starting with cutting this cardboard into 2 strips and then into 4 equal rectangles. Okay.
Pasta. Yay!
Okay, let's make sure these are equal. They are equal, ne?
Yes.
Now we will be cutting 4 rectangles.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So you have 4. What's this shape, Lethu?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. 4 equal rectangles.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So we'll be cutting
Paper.
paper into 2 equal strips so that we can paste them here. We'll be cutting 2 equal rectangles to cover only 2 of these. Not 4 of them, but only 2.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Good girl. Yeah, good girl.
Oh, glue and a metaphor.
Yeah. Lethu, are you pasting? Good girl.
This helps.
Yes. So you also get rid of the ends. Paste, paste, paste.
It's too small.
No, it's okay. Yes.
It's too small, look.
Yes.
I told you.
Yes, you told me. It's fine. So we just cut it like this.
Yes.
Yes. And now it's fine. You see? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Which ones are covered in white paper?
1, 2, 3, 4.
We'll be drawing 12 lines for each. Okay, so for each strip, we need to draw 12 equal blocks with equal spacing in between. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl.
Nice.
Let's do another one. Good girl. To save time, we've already drew these lines. We will be writing 1 up to 10 in ascending order. And for this one, we'll be writing 10 to 0 in descending order. Thank you. This is in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I did it. Can I draw? Me too.
Good girl. Good girl. 3, 4. Good girl. 6. Yeah, about 7. Probably 7 now. Good
9.
girl. 8, 9, 1. Good girl. Good girl. This is what we have now. You see, from 0 to 10. Here it's 1 to 10. Now we are punching a hole. Punching a hole here.
Look guys, my finger.
This is what we have. Yeah. So this is what we have.
Oh no.
This is not as accurate as I thought, so let's just make some adjustments. I'm testing the same thing at the back.
Oh. You can?
I can, baby. Thank you so much. This is our final product. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So if you can move it and say 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So we can even go backwards. 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Lethu, 3 plus 1. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
3 plus 1 is?
4. 3 plus 1.
Yeah. 3 plus 1 is?
4.
4. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5 plus 1 is 6.
Bye guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.